Hey guys, welcome to Warm Droid tutorial. Today I will show you how you can design a custom alert dialog in Android. So it's gonna be completely custom and I have already written a complete guide on my website and I will give the link in the description. You can check it out anytime and all the source code will be here. So this is what we are going to design today. Uh, Basically there will be a small image view for a tiny icon and a text and one button, action button we can say. And the main thing is this is just an example. If you are getting the concept clear, then you can design your own custom alert with multiple buttons, with multiple image icons, with text and anything. You can give anything here. You can give Lottie animation here. So you just need to learn the basics and you will be able to design your own custom alert. So let's start with the implementation. Open your Android Studio and create a new project. And as you can see, I have already created one and till now I have not done anything. It's a completely new project. You can see here. Now, so the approach will be first we need to design a custom layout file like this in order to achieve our design. In that custom layout file, we can use either a linear layout or a relative layout. I will be using the relative layout, and there will be a small, you can see directly here in the code. This is the layout file, layout code for our custom alert, and the parent is the relative layout, and in that, this image view I am using for a small icon there, and this text view is for alert text, and this is a simple button to dismiss the alert. And I'm just using a three elements here. You can use like two text view, three buttons, anything according to your requirement. So let's quickly copy this code to save the time so that I can give more time in explaining the things and go back to the Android Studio. So let's quickly create a layout file. Here we need to create the layout file, give some nice name, and that's all. The root element should be the relative, but anyway we can replace it with our code. So this is the thing. Let's split it and Control A, Control V. So I think this is clear to you guys. Now you can see the custom alert, the custom UI for our alert. Now, since the UI part is ready for alert, now how to display it? For displaying, we need a button, right? So that we can trigger it. So let's come here in the main activity XML file and let's delete this thing and give a button, simple button, so that we can trigger our layout custom alert. The ID, let it be button itself and quickly give a constraint which will make it at center. Now we can change the text of the button to show alert. It makes sense. Now let's run it once and see whether our button is coming or not. Great, it's coming. Now let's go back to the main activity and we'll write click listener code for the button so that we can trigger our Okay, so now one more thing we have to do. We have to replace the default, default layout of the custom alert to our design which we have created. Now to make it more reusable, what we can do, we can create a different class itself so that it can be used again and again anywhere in the code. For that, let's create a new class, not the Java class, the Kotlin class, and give it some name. Okay, now import all the required libraries. Okay, as you can see, we have created a custom alert class, and in that class, show dialog is a method. So this you can call from anywhere. You have to pass the activity from where you are calling the alert, and here the message which you want to show in the alert box. And here we are getting error because the name is not matching. Now we are good to go, and this is the basic dialog class which we are going to use. And in this dialog class we will set our layout file, this one, to show the for the custom alert. And let come back here. And this is set cancelable false, means if user is clicking outside from the alert, then the alert will not dismiss. And if you will set true, the alert will be easily you can dismiss it without doing anything. And this is the main thing where we are setting the our custom UI for the alert. Set content view, you can see here. And that's all, guys. Now we can go back to the button and we can trigger our custom alert. It's very easy. Now I will show you how to do it. We just need to create an object for our custom class. So this is very simple. Now you remember we have a method in the alert, show dialog, and here we have to pass the activity. This is the activity, not this. The activity should be here, this, comma, now our custom message. This is an alert. Seems good. That's all now. Let's see why it is giving error. Okay, I think we need to give the double quotes here. Is this the reason? Yes. Now I think it should be good to go. And yeah, it's working. And as I told you, you remember this thing, set cancelable false. So if you are clicking outside of the dialog, it's not getting dismissed. But if you are setting it true, you can dismiss it. I will show you. You can see. So this is what this function will do. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. And if so, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.